75. As my bedroom rolls down this long highway,